Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to assign a card on card table here in Basecamp. All right. As you can see here, I have this sample card and create tutorial about Basecamp card, which is assigned to me. All right. So what you'll do to assign someone on a card is just go ahead over to the project, click on it. Now, if you don't have a card table in here, go to the top right, click on the three dots and click on Setup Tools and make sure that the slider for card table is turned on. Now, going back, click on Card Table, click on Add a Card. And if you do have an existing card, you can click on it and just click on Assign To right here in the section and add in the person's name. And once you added the person's name, you can now go ahead and click on Save Changes and you're good to go. Now, if you're just planning to add in a new card, click on Add a Card, and in here, just click on Assign Card. Type down the name, click on it, and just hit on Save Card. That's how easy it is to assign a card on card table in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.